Just want to show you my new holster. It's a Vega holster, Italian brand, and it's a brown leather pancake revolver holster for a K-frame or similar. So I'm just going to show it to you. It has, a couple of features. I will go through them. So I'm just going to put you down. So I guess you can see it here. The holster has two places to keep your belt in the front and one in the rear. So now I have it canted a bit forward. I could keep it more upright like this and higher up. That would be good if you want to, I don't know, have it under a jacket and don't want it to show. I have it canted forward. I'm at the range, so just want easy access. You have a thumb, like a safety. Easy to operate, and it's also easy to get the gun out and back in. And you know what, I would say this is quite snug. It's a short barrel here, just 3 inches, but the holster, it stays tight. That of course also depends on your belt. If you have a belt with decent rigidity, the holster is not going to fall out. So just wanted to show you. I will put the exact name of the holster in the title. Maybe I will also put it here, but it's Vega holsters, Italian brand. I know you can find them all over Europe and probably in the US as well. So thank you for watching, guys, and until next time, please stay safe.